So this is a video about blogging, which our business has inside our bootcamp. So we're going to take a look at this and we'll come back in a few minutes.
Hey, what's up? It's Chuck here. Now, I want to start off this lesson by just talking about a few facts about your blog. Okay, so your blog is simply just a website for people to learn more about you. So when you go to, let's say, a marketing event, they ask you for your website, you give them your website or your blog, and they can just learn more about what you do, how you make money, everything like that. Next, it's an all-in-one place to build a list and make money. So when you optimize your blog properly and correctly, there will be pop-ups, there will be banners, there will be ways for your visitors to opt in to your email list in exchange for your lead magnet. And obviously there will be tools, resources, and links to affiliate products where you can also make money as well. It's a place that provides value through articles. So unlike Instagram, where it's mainly images and videos, or YouTube, where it's just all videos, a blog is focused on articles. It's an important asset that helps with business. So whether you want to write articles or whether you want to generate traffic from your blog, you must have one anyway, because it's a very, very important asset that helps you with your business. When you, let's say, apply for a business loan, most likely they'll ask you for your website. Or Stripe, most likely having a website helps. PayPal, having a website helps. Let's say you want to get approved for affiliate networks or certain affiliate products, having a website helps. So a website helps with so many other things than just generating traffic and building your brand. Google SEO and writing articles has changed, so that's a very, very big fact. Blogging has changed completely over the last 2 years. Back in the days, SEO, blogging, writing articles, there's a certain criteria to building that out. But now with the introduction of AI, with tools that can write articles in a matter of seconds, with the whole Google algorithm updating consistently to combat AI articles and to cater for AI articles, everything has changed. Meaning that if you want to build your blog correctly, you have to stay updated with Google, because again, they're changing things consistently. It's a way to generate traffic on autopilot, so this is completely optional. And I say optional.
So that's a snippet behind it. So back in the days, it was all about articles and blogging and things like that. You hear everything's changed. Our business builds your blog for you now, and it is focused on AI articles, which really will be the future of blogging. Starting from scratch is probably nearly impossible to really make it. But we have this bootcamp for free. We have a free community rather. And we have a done-for-you system service. We have a done-for-you blogging service is what this is about, and a whole host of other things as well. So do come and join us, and we'd love to see you there. Bye-bye for now.